joy of creation is beyond words, and the feeling of completeness exhilarating. At Electro Pneumatics, we feel proud of creating all the mega machines that drive our enterprise on our own. With 100% indigenous technology, we have carved a niche in the ever-evolving metal forming products and services field. And the sense of fulfillment fuels us to excel day after day. Electro Pneumatics and Hydraulics Private Limited was founded in 1972 by Anthony Raskina. Under his visionary leadership, the company rose to become India's premier and diversified metal forming solutions provider. Starting from pneumatic valves and cylinders, the company has developed a gamut of technologies and products such as hydraulic cylinders, hydraulic presses, tube benders, honing machines, compacting presses, special purpose machines, servo technology and industrial robots, all under one roof. Many of these products are India's firsts. They come with a trailblazing tradition of complete indigenous strength in mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatics, electrical, controls and software. Electro Pneumatics operates out of its head office and plant in Chakan, Pune through its three divisions: machine manufacturing, component manufacturing and fluid power. Every division is a forerunner in its category, anticipating customer needs and harnessing the latest technology and world-class machinery to deliver the best possible customized solutions. Taking this vision and self-sufficiency forward is the Component Manufacturing Division, an epitome of product superiority. The Component Manufacturing Division, or CMD, designs, engineers and manufactures systems, assemblies, modules and components primarily for the automotive industry. It was started to leverage our 35 years of experience in metal forming and to promote hydroforming, a technology that will play a great role in the future of automotive manufacturing. The division is equipped with hydroforming and stamping presses from 5 ton to 7,000 ton, a complete range of tube benders and end formers and special purpose machines. We have single, double and triple action presses with bed sizes of up to 2.5 meter by 2.0 meter for small to large part production. Our capabilities in tube processing include bending of metals of different materials and various cross sections, end forming operations such as flaring, reducing, beading, curling, etc., tube forming operations such as trimming, notching, dimpling, etc., and tooling for bending, end forming, etc., manufactured in our modern CNC machine shop. We use the latest CAD and simulation softwares to do feasibility analysis and to design tools of hydroformed, stamped and bent parts. Our state-of-the-art CNC machining facility can produce all the tools, fixtures and gauges needed for production with the highest accuracy. Electro Pneumatics is a pioneer in the field of hydroforming and is one of the leading companies in India to offer a complete indigenous solution using hydroforming technology. The Electro Pneumatics product portfolio includes parts and assemblies for the automotive industry, chassis, long and cross members, roof rails and pillars, structural and axle parts, safety, engine, exhaust and body in white parts, plumbing fittings, bicycle node parts, consumer parts and a variety of other parts for the non-automotive sectors. The success of Electro Pneumatics Component Manufacturing Division is a confluence of multiple factors: technical excellence, customer focus, team spirit, trend-setting innovation, uncompromising quality, research-backed strategies and, above all, an unflinching faith and pride on being indigenous. The division is ISO 9001-2008 and TS 16949-2009 certified. At every step of every stage, quality is controlled, monitored, ensured. No wonder the Electro Pneumatics brand is trusted by industry stalwarts such as Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Automotive Stampings and Assemblies, Caparo Engineering, IFB Automotive, Force Motors, Bayer India, Godrej & Boyce Manufacturing Company, and Renishaw Metrology Systems, to name a few. Awards and accolades have been aplenty, with consistent customer delight being the most cherished one. Truly, for the component manufacturing division of Electro Pneumatics, the future is taking a great shape. We are forming tomorrow, today.